Thinking about forming an LLC in Nevada, one of the most important steps is filing your articles of organization. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from what to prepare to what to file, and what happens after. Step 1. Prepare required information. Before you start filing, you'll need to gather a few key details. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and faster. LLC name. Make sure your name is unique and includes the words Limited Liability Company. Check out Nevada's naming requirements. I'll link it down below. Registered agent. This can be a person or business that agrees to accept legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Nevada. Now here's where VPM steps in. It's not just a virtual mailbox. It also acts as a registered agent for free in any state where they have a location. That means you get 2 services in one: a commercial business address you can use, and a registered agent to keep you legally compliant. Most registered agent services only handle legal and government mail, and they won't scan, forward, or help manage your everyday business mail. VPM does all that and more. Bottom line, VPM saves you time, protects your privacy, and helps you stay legally compliant without needing multiple services. It's a smart, all-in-one solution for remote businesses, especially if you're running things from abroad or from home. Business address. You'll need a real physical street address in Nevada. PO boxes aren't allowed for this section, so consider using VPM for your business address. With VPM, your address is tied to a real commercial office, helping you build trust with customers, meet business registration requirements, and keep your home address private. This is perfect for remote teams, digital nomads, or growing companies that need a permanent, professional U.S. address without the overhead of a physical office. Want to learn more? Watch this video next. Management structure. Decide how your LLC will be run. Member managed, where all owners or members run the business, or manager managed. You appoint one or more managers to handle operations. Organizer information. This is a person completing and submitting the articles of organization. It can be a member, manager, or even someone hired just for filing. Step 2. File articles of organization. Once you've got your details ready, you can file your articles of organization, the official document that legally forms your LLC in Nevada. You've got 3 options. Online. This is the fastest way to file through Nevada's SilverFlume portal. I'll link it down below. By mail. Download the Articles of Organization form and send it to Secretary of State, 202 North Carson Street, Carson City, Nevada, 89701. In person. You can also drop it off directly at the Secretary of State's office. Please note the filing fee is $75. This fee may change, so always check for updates before filing. Step 3. Complete additional requirements. Filing your articles is just the beginning. Nevada has a few more legal requirements to finalize your LLC. Initial list of managers or managing members. This is due within 30 days of forming your LLC. Don't skip it. Missing this could lead to penalties. State business license. Most Nevada businesses are required to get a state business license. You can file this at the same time as your initial list. Operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will run, including roles, responsibilities, and profit distribution. It's not required to file with the state, but it's highly recommended to keep things clear among members or managers. You can file both the initial list and business license in SilverFlume, Nevada's business portal. I'll link it down below. And that's it. Once you filed your articles of organization and taken care of extra requirements, your Nevada LLC is officially up and running. If you found this helpful, check out our next video on registered agents and how to set up a business address using a virtual mailbox, so you can stay compliant while working from anywhere. Learn more.